compressibility and bulk modulus. So what is my compressibility? Compressibility is defined as reciprocal of the bulk modulus of the elasticity. Okay. So I'm writing down the definition. So compressibility is nothing but it is the, or we can define, basically it is defined as my ratio of compressive stress to volumetric strain. So first we define the K. So K is nothing but increase in pressure divided by volumetric strain. And my compressibility is the reciprocal of the modulus of elasticity. So we define the compressibility 1 by K. Okay.